Father, a Christian, an industry leader. Ladies and gentlemen, let's bring to the stage with thunderous exponential applause, Mr. D. Fly himself, Daniel Fleischman.
How's everybody doing?
Good.
Good. Sometimes it's not how fast you row, it's how fast the stream is going, and the rest of the quote is, and what boat you're in. I've never been to Montana. Has anybody been? Yeah? Is it awesome?
Yeah, I'm from Wyoming.
So I'm speaking of this, there's a mini mega camp. It's called Montana Camp. I was asked to speak at it. I'm like, yeah, why not? So anyway, if anybody wants to go, I can probably hook one or two of you up with tickets. I don't know. So it's Diana Cocoso went last year. I think she's the maps. I don't know if she's going this year. I think you went a little bit big. Is that?
No, that's
big?
right.
No, is it? But it's not too far. You'll drive that whole thing?
Oh,
Yeah.
Okay. So we're gonna hit. I love it. I love your stuff. We're gonna hit lead pillars today. I guess I'll give you the spoiler alert. I love hecklers, but nobody's heckled these two things. One is my lead sources for this year, but I'd love any additional. Has everyone heard deaths and divorces are through the roof?
Yeah.
Right? So I'm not happy about that. So high net worth divorce attorneys, high net worth probate and estate attorneys, downsize. Anyone familiar with the baby boomers? Mm-hmm. After World War II, they had a bunch of babies, right? Yeah. Bought bigger houses. And then what happened? They had this stock market grew because they're retirement stuff, right? A lot of the healthcare stuff. And then aren't some of them getting closer to they have the empty nest? They're like, well, maybe it's time to go smaller again? Yeah. Mm-hmm. Okay. Luis, were you waiting to say something negative about the boomers? No, I'm not going to go there. I like the boomers. It's all good. Anyway, so basically, I think they're going to be downsizing. There's 1.6 million that want to downsize. It's on nobody's radar. Everybody's asleep at the wheel. So tell me if you think I'm right here on this downsize. What if they have 2 stories, paid off mortgage, or almost, 95% equity, empty nest, including 40-year-old children, because they'll do real downsize real quick, right? A lot of square footage, whatever that is in our market. And the main bedroom, what are we calling it now? The main, I don't know. And is that pretty good start for downsize, or what's everybody think?
Yeah.
Nobody does a heckle it? That's totally crap. Yeah, it's good. So does anybody see how many I don't know if my pointers, is there a regular pointer here, by the way? I don't know.
Yeah, finger.
Who's that? Where are you from?
New York.
I know. Well, okay. What part? BK? What is it? Albany. Upstate. You would be. No. Yeah, appreciate you, man. Everyone thinks I'm from New York. So anyway, does anybody see how many? Yeah. Can you see how many there are? Yeah. Oh, by the way, these are all over $1 million.
Over $1 million value?
Yeah,
How many?
His estimate's not accurate, right? That's why Elon Musk is buying Zillow.
You pulled this off of
But,
Remind?
What's that?
You pulled this off of Remind?
Yeah.
Okay.
Is this wow? No, this is I'm trying to let it sink in for a second.
Yeah.
They have 2 stories, no mortgage, empty nest, large square footage, main bedroom in the second story in a lot of cases, and then we had to go over $1 million. You know, if we went down to $500,000, there's 100,000. Nobody's working on those, huh? You want to see how to get those? Stick to the end. Is that good? I hear the quiet. Is that good?
Yeah.
Real good.
You want to know how to get these?
Yeah.
Well, if you downsize, I think who's leaving Florida? You know where the #1 state to move to? Since the 40s or 50s. In fact, I met Laurel Starks recently. She's a rock star. And I hope I didn't say the wrong thing, but she is Keller Williams in Southern California. Gets 115 listings a year from high net worth divorce attorneys. You can't live on 115 listings, but it's a good start. No, I'm just kidding. But anyway, I said, yeah, she's like, Florida's growing. I said, we're the #1 state. She's like, I don't get into politics. I was like, I didn't even say anything about politics. Like, what are you talking about? Anyway, but yeah, no, everyone's moving here. But anyway, if they sell one, if you sell $1 million house, what size house do you think they're buying?
500.
Or more, yeah. So that's 1 family, 1.5. What's GCI if you're capping?